Look at these amazing breakfast sausages, so perfectly browned. Hi friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking breakfast sausages in the air fryer. What we need for this recipe are breakfast sausages, cooking spray, and the air fryer. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I will spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. And now let's put the sausages in the air fryer basket in a single layer. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And now let's set the temperature to 390 degrees. And let's set the time to 9 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these amazing breakfast sausages, so perfectly browned. So easy to make in the air fryer. Now let's try one. Perfectly cooked. Tastes amazing. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.